Hi there. In this video we're going to show how to add images to your HTML content. So I'm going to insert an image in the About Us section, Our People, and on my page. We haven't done my headshot here, so I want to add that in. So to edit my chunk, right click and select Edit from the drop down. Insert my cursor where I want to add the image, and I click the Insert Edit Image tool up in the toolbar. That brings up a dialog box that allows me to enter an absolute path to an image, which we normally don't do, an image description and a title. To the right we have a Browse button. That lets me browse all the images that are currently on our server. I'm going to look for this image in the About Us full heads, which is where we have our big pictures. And it doesn't look like my picture's in here yet. So for now, I'm going to choose the default image that we use, and I'll give it a description. Descriptions are very important. They allow search engines to index information about all the images on your page. They're also very valuable for users who are coming to your site using a screen reader. If you don't populate this field, Sam will let you know that you should have done it. I'm going to toggle over to the Appearance tab, and here you have more controls. You can scale the image here, but it's not advised. Ideally, you want your images to be the exact resolution they're going to be used on your website before you even import them into SAM. You can add vertical and horizontal spacing. These two options are less desirable than using a style sheet. For one, you have to go in and manually maintain each picture. And two, they add vertical and horizontal spacing to both the top and bottom of the image, which is something you rarely want to do. Another thing you can do is add styles directly on an element like an image. So if I wanted to add some padding to the right side of this image, I could just use CSS to insert a property that will be applied to the image. Let's go ahead and insert this. There's our image, and I can save it. Now, normally the image you want to use won't already be on the server. So let's go ahead and upload a new image this time. Right-click, Edit. To select the image, I'm going to put my cursor immediately in front of it and shift right arrow on the keyboard. That's the easiest way to select an image without selecting the tags around it that you do not want to select. And you'll know you have the image selected because the image icon in the toolbar will be outlined in gray. So I'm going to click my Edit Image dialog. So there's the old image. I want to upload a new one. I go to my Browse button. I already know that the image I need is not on here, so I can click Upload. Then I click Choose Files. And that allows me to search my local machine and network to find the image I want to use. I believe this image is on the desktop, so I can just click it, open that, and choose Upload to Server. Now the image is on the server. I can select it and update. Save my changes, and we're done.